Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can use the Videoscribe. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to install the Videoscribe from the Google. You can easily download it from the Google Chrome. So let's start. So I have already installed it. So I'm going to open this. So as you can see now, here's the Videoscribe. Basically, the Videoscribe is a software which is used for whiteboard animations. So as you can see, the first of all, what you need to do, you have to create an account. So you have to click on the create a new account, and after that, you have to log in it using that email and password. So I'm going to click on this, and now I'm going to click on the login. So now I'm going to click on this, and now let's click on the right. So as you can see now, what we need to do, simply we have to click on the open scribe and the create new scribe. If you have any kind of scribe already created, then you have to click on it. And I'm going to click on the new create a new scribe. So let's click on this. So you have to select the ratio, that which type of video you are working on, like the 16.9 and 1.1 and 19.6. For example, I want this one. So let's say create new project. So as you can see, this is the whiteboard animation. So if you see here, you will see if you so as you can see, this is the interface of the whiteboard animation. So as you can see, in this way you can use that. For example, if you want to add any kind of picture and image, you can also do that. Simply you have to click on this. Now after clicking on this, it will take few seconds, a few minutes in loading. So as you can see, the picture option is here. Now if you want to insert any kind of picture, you can also do that. You can see the pictures are here. If you want to select any kind of other thing like the business related, then you select the business and you will get the options related to that. For example, I want to insert this one, then you have to click on this. Now you can manage it anywhere. If you want to manage it like this and this in this way, you can drag it anywhere. So in this way you can insert a picture. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can insert a picture in Videoscribe and how you can open a Videoscribe and what is the Videoscribe. So simply in this video we have covered the basics of the Videoscribe. So we will discuss about the Videoscribe in the next video. So see you guys in the next video.